Bank of America Cash Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but choosing the right cashback credit card in 2025 can significantly impact your finances, rewards, and overall financial flexibility. Today, we're going to break down the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, exploring its features, benefits, drawbacks, and real-world value to help you decide if it's worth it or if you should leave it. Let's start with the basics. The Bank of America Cash Rewards Card is a cashback credit card designed for everyday spending. It's particularly popular among people who want a flexible rewards structure without paying an annual fee. In 2025, with the rise of digital wallets, subscription services, and online shopping, having a card that maximizes reward while keeping costs low is more important than ever. First, the highlights. 1. Cashback structure. The Bank of America Cash Rewards Card offers 3% cashback in a category of your choice, 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 1% on all other purchases. Categories you can choose for the 3% reward include gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drug stores, or home improvement/furnishings. You can change your 3% category each month, which is a flexible feature that allows you to optimize rewards based on your spending habits. Most people overlook this flexibility, but it can significantly boost your annual cash back if used strategically. 2. Cash Rewards Redemption. Cash back can be redeemed as a statement credit, direct deposit into a Bank of America checking or savings account, or through a check. This flexibility is valuable because it lets you decide how you want to access your rewards without forcing you into a single option. You won't believe how much time people waste figuring out complicated redemption rules with other cards. This is refreshingly simple. 3. Intro APRA offers in 2025. The card typically comes with a 0% introductory APRA on purchases for 12-15 months, depending on the offer at the time of application. This feature is ideal if you're planning a big purchase or need short-term financing without interest. After the introductory period, a variable APRA applies, which is competitive for a cashback card. 4. No annual fee. One of the most attractive features is the absence of an annual fee. In contrast to many high-reward cards that charge $95, $550 per year, this card allows you to earn cash back without offsetting it with fees. For people with moderate spending or those just starting to build reward strategies, this makes the card accessible and low risk. 5. Bank of America Relationship Rewards. Another hidden gem is the Bank Amery Deals program, which offers additional cash back at select merchants. Plus, Bank of America Preferred Rewards clients can earn a 75% bonus on all cash back earned, depending on account tier. Most people miss this, but if you already have accounts with Bank of America, linking them can multiply your rewards significantly, giving you up to 5.25% cash back in your 3% category, 3.5% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 1.75% on everything else. This is one of the best perks for existing Bank of America clients in 2025. 6. Fraud protection and security. The card comes with robust security features, including zero liability for unauthorized transactions, virtual card numbers for online purchases, and optional alerts for suspicious activity. In an age where digital fraud is increasingly common, having these protections built into your card can save you headaches and financial loss. 7. Digital integration. Bank of America's app allows you to track rewards, set spending alerts, and manage payments. Integration with Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay makes it easier to pay digitally and earn rewards seamlessly. Most users find that the convenience of managing everything in one app significantly improves their financial organization. Now, let's dive into some limitations. Foreign transaction fees. Unlike some premium travel or global cashback cards, the Bank of America Cash Rewards Card charges a 3% foreign transaction fee. This makes it less ideal for international travel. If you travel abroad frequently, you'll likely want a card with no foreign transaction fees. Variable APRA. After the introductory period, the APRA can be higher than some competitors, depending on your creditworthiness. If you plan to carry a balance, this could add to your costs. In 2025, Interest rates are fluctuating, so it's critical to pay attention to your ongoing APRA. Rotating categories confusion, While the ability to choose a 3% category each month is powerful, it requires active management. If you forget to change the category based on your spending, you may not maximize rewards. Many people overlook this, leading to lower cashback than expected. Now let's consider a real-world example. Imagine Lisa, a Bank of America client who spends $500 per month on groceries, $300 on gas, $200 on dining, and $1,000 on miscellaneous purchases. If Lisa selects gas as her 3% category, her monthly cash back would look like this: $9 on gas, 3% of $300, $10 on groceries, 2% of $500, $2 on dining, 1% of $200, and $10 on other purchases, 1% of $1,000. That totals $31 per month, or $372 per year. If Lisa is part of the Preferred Rewards program and earns a 25% bonus, her annual cashback increases to about $465. This demonstrates how combining strategic category selection with Bank of America's bonus program can significantly enhance rewards. Another advantage to note is customer support. Bank of America provides 24/7 phone and online support, and in-app messaging is efficient for quick queries. This is an often overlooked factor, as many users value responsive support when they encounter issues like lost cards or unauthorized charges. In 2025, cashback cards are also competing with points-based travel cards. While points may offer higher potential value, cashback is simpler and more flexible. The Bank of America Cash Rewards Card excels in this regard because it allows you to redeem cash rewards in multiple ways without worrying about blackout dates, airline partners, or complex reward tables. A few tips for maximizing this card. 1. Link your bank accounts. If you have a Bank of America checking or savings account, link them to your card for easier rewards redemption and potential bonus cashback. 2. Monitor your 3% category. Set a monthly reminder to adjust your 3% category based on upcoming purchases. For instance, if you have a big home improvement project, switch to the home improvement category that month. 3. Use Bank Emory deals. Take advantage of extra cashback offers in the Bank of America app. These limited time deals can add meaningful rewards. 4. Pay in full. To truly benefit from the card, avoid carrying a balance past the introductory APRA period. Paying in full each month ensures that your rewards are pure profit, not offset by interest charges. Now, let's compare it to a few alternatives in 2025. Chase Freedom Flex offers similar rotating categories and bonus cashback opportunities, but comes with no preferred rewards multiplier. Chase has strong travel benefits but may be more complex to manage. CD Custom Cash Card automatically gives 5% cash back on your highest spending category each month, but lacks Bank Emory deals and the preferred rewards bonus. Discover It Cashback offers 5% cash back in rotating categories, but with quarterly activation and limited redemption flexibility. Bank of America's approach is simpler and more integrated for existing clients. So, is the Bank of America Cash Rewards Card worth it or leave it? For most US-based consumers, especially Bank of America clients, this card is highly worth it. Its flexible rewards, zero annual fee, robust digital tools, and optional bonuses make it one of the most practical cashback cards in 2025. It's especially effective for those who want simplicity, recurring cashback on everyday spending, and the ability to optimize rewards through a preferred rewards account. For people who travel internationally frequently or prefer a high-end travel rewards card, it may not be the perfect fit. However, for maximizing everyday cashback, minimizing fees, and leveraging digital tools to simplify finances, this card stands out as a top contender. In conclusion, the Bank of America Cash Rewards Card in 2025 is more than just a cashback card, it's a strategic financial tool. Most people get this wrong by overlooking the preferred rewards bonus and failing to manage their 3% category effectively. By understanding how the card works, actively managing categories, and linking accounts strategically, you can turn everyday spending into significant rewards, making this card well worth your consideration.